So this is our widgetized dashboard. As you're seeing it now, it's fairly empty, but it's fairly easy to use. Once you have your dashboard set up, we're adding widgets. So when we add a widget, you just simply click in the left-hand corner and it's gonna pull up all of the widgets that we offer in this dashboard. It's also tied to Zapier. So if you've ever utilized Zapier, that even adds further integrations, about 500 more integrations. But out of the box, this is what it looks like. So if you are a business and let's say you're wanting to increase maybe your social media marketing, what you can do, you can go into the system, you're gonna click social media, you're gonna click on add your Facebook page widget. You're gonna hit configure widget. When you go into your configure widget system, it's gonna enable you to log in. Once you log into your Facebook page, I'm obviously already logged into the system, so it's pulling me up. It's gonna pull up any data point from any of the pages in which you are an admin on. You can rename it. So I'm gonna say this is Primary Hosting's Facebook page. And what we're able to do, we can pull in any metric that Facebook provides us, or in this case, but overall it's any metric in which a network is providing us. So if it's Google Analytics, it's going to be traffic information, and it's going to be either an overview that has a couple different versions of your data points, or you can be very specific. So you can see this with the drop down. I can either do an overview, I can see stories, I can see my reach, I can see likes, I can pull in any of these data points that I choose. And what's nice about this system too is that if I can pull in my overview, and if I wanted to drill down on a certain data point as well, I can do that. So what you're seeing here is that in the last month, I've reached 24,558 people organically. I've generated 214 clicks, 268 new likes on the page. So as you go through, you just build your widgetized dashboard. The next up, most companies are using Google Analytics, so that's going to be under your web analytics area, and you're going to go down to Google Analytics. You add that widget. If you're logged into a Google Analytics account, you're just going to click configure widget, and it's going to enable us to pull in data points from every social network, search network, data network that we're wanting to pull in. So what's nice about this, as you build this out for your business, it becomes your one source for data. It's very accurate, it's up to date, it's based upon the data that's provided by the networks. Some networks are really good and can go retroactive, meaning you can set it up today, but you can see data from a year ago. Some networks only allow you to be from the day you set it up forward. But in our system, we're looking at the last 30 days. We have the ability to look at the last 7 days if we choose. We can also go back months and pull up more data, and it's going to go through and pull up data points, and each one has a certain amount of analytics built in. What's really cool about this is that if you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, you're running Instagram ads, you have an email marketing network, you can have all of this in one place. And if you're running an e-commerce store, you can actually track every single click, what it costs you to get a click, what it costs you to get a like, what it costs you to get a conversion, and then what does that conversion ultimately cost you overall? So what's your cost per conversion? By doing that, you will become sort of a data-driven performance marketer.